Hey, Greg Casser here. I've just come out of the workshop, just on a break at the moment. Just saying what a phenomenal experience that we've had over really it's been 2.5 days now. So the vibe of the people that they get together for these workshops is incredible. Like the energy of the people, I think really thrive together. And where I've traditionally done more like business, sales, marketing stuff, this is really like opening me up into a whole bunch of different areas on a whole different journey than I have been before. Learning all sorts of things, whether it's from yoga and breath work to tantra and massage and all sorts of stuff. So I can't recommend it highly enough. If you ever get the chance, by all means jump at it. Like this is a really, really great investment of your time.
Oh, thanks, Greg. And what would you say specifically around the workshop we did this morning on Tantra?
In particular, like I was really, really interested in the Tantric massage, and so I was learning about how the energy flow and energy exchange worked, and then getting into some more advanced moves over time that I'd really never seen before, never had any exposure to. So it's really just that opening up your mind to something completely different and taking it, seeing where it takes you.
And what's your understanding of Tantra now after this retreat?
Wow, that's a big question because it's like, well, there's so many different meanings, so many different meanings of it. I really learned about the light side and the dark side, and it can mean a whole bunch of different things to a whole bunch of different people. A lot of people think about, like the sexual nature of it, and there certainly is that aspects to it, but there's a whole bunch more around, energy flow and just putting, good vibes out into the world. For me, I'd say I'm still, on the journey in that regards.
And is there anyone in particular you feel like this sort of retreat could help?
I think anyone who's on a path to enlightenment, so who is aware that there's more to the world than just them, and really who wants to do good in the world and wants to surround themselves with positive, like-minded people. So yeah, open-minded folk, I would say it's perfect for.
Oh, beautiful. And anything that you feel like you'd like to get out of the rest of the retreat?
I'm really enjoying vibing, like meeting the positive, like-minded people, and I'm an open book. Like I'm just a sponge. So we've still got another day to go, and I just say bring it on. If it's anything like the first day and a half, then laughing.
Thank you so much, Greg. Really appreciate you being here. Such a joy to share with you. Such a legend.
Thank you. Always a pleasure with you guys.
Big love, mate.
Cheers.
Phew.